Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Bigo ID. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up Bigo Live on your mobile device. Tap on the Me icon at the bottom right of your screen. Now tap on the Profile icon at the top right of your screen. Now go ahead and select the Note icon at the top right of your screen. Scroll down a bit and tap on Bigo ID. Now you can type in your new Bigo ID. Once you are done typing in your new ID, tap on Submit. You cannot change your ID after you have submitted it. And that's it. This is how you successfully change your Bigo ID. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.